We're going to jump into our visualization here. And as you keep visualizing, remember there's a couple of aspects you want to remember and write down. We're not trying to manifest. We're not trying to achieve. We're not trying to get something done. We're not trying to master a process. We're not trying to get clients. What we're doing is our objective is align with the feeling. You just want to feel. So when you get to your visualization, you close your eyes, you see the end scene. But I say, I'm just trying to feel this. That's it. I'm just trying to feel this. Okay. So go ahead and write down Friday. You have your intention, your desire. Write down your end scene that you're going to see in your mind over and over. What does that look like for you? If your end scene is to get a new client, you might see somebody say yes to you, give you their card information, put it into Stripe, and go ahead and submit payment and see successful payment. Somebody else might be saying, I'm going to put the card on the enrollment form and good to go. Some of you as certified coaches, you might see yourself actually filling out the activation form and clicking activate client. Maybe those of you that have spreadsheets, you might see your spreadsheets loaded with some sort of enrollments or sales. Logging into your bank account, seeing the money increase in the checking account. Okay, so go ahead and write down in detail what end scene are you going to see. Let's take 30 seconds here and finalize that before we visualize. All right, come on back when you're ready. Again, so when we're going out there and visualizing, you're not trying to get this done. You're not trying to get clients. What you're doing is you're going within knowing this is a vibrational reality. I'm a vibrational being. I want to align with this thing better and better because I know the laws of the universe will bring forth things to me over a course of bridge of happenings, bridge of events, actually mentioning forward. Okay. So as I start to get more and more aligned with this, things are going to automatically start vibing towards me better. Okay. We're going to do this for 1 minute. You're going to close your eyes. You're going to see your end scene in mind. You're going to play it out. Okay. Remember, match your inner thoughts. Thank you. Oh my God, look how exciting this is. This is amazing. Talk to yourself as if it's actually happening. And then come on back. All right. We're going to do this for 1 minute. Time and music will be on. Video's on or off, depending on your comfort and what you like to do. Take a breather, breathe in, breathe out. Not trying to get anything done. Nothing should have happened after you open your eyes, besides maybe a little shift internally. That's it though. Look around your space again. We're going to keep doing this, so bear with me here on feeling the refresher of the mind. We're going to be doing this between every single visualization. Look around your room. Know that this is a vibrational reality. Say it to yourself a couple of times. This is a vibrational world. This is a vibrational reality. It's a vibrational world. Okay. You're not attracting these clients based on physical. It's not like a magnet where you can actually see things come together. Instead, you're looking at this vibrational world. You're literally putting on glasses and saying, oh, I see the world for what it really is, not what it seems to be. I'm going to attract these people into my life because I am in harmony with them, because I'm in the right vibration. Okay. Now we're going to do this for 2 minutes. Those of you that are on last Monday's call, this should be getting easier and easier. Those of you just getting started with this, it may get hard. Your mind might drift, might go somewhere. That's okay. Bring it right back to your end scene. Remember, keep your thoughts engaged. Wow, this is so exciting. This is amazing. I feel achievement oriented. I feel so happy now that it's done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Get into that mode. 2 minutes on the clock. Music will be on. What's going on here? We're just going down the list and everyone's believing more and being in that faith, realizing this is the energy work that you need to do. If you're not getting the results attracted in, you're not in that place, this is the work to do. This is the internal stuff that's stopping most of us from carrying forth into the results that we want, right?